Hi, Philip from TW White & Sons. We've been fortunate enough to acquire this beautiful Mazda CX-3 2-litre 121 PS Sport Nav Plus. Finished in jet black. It's a manual car, registered 2nd of March 2019. It's covered 20,200 miles, 2 owners from new. It's grade 1 car in absolutely wonderful condition. Jet black mica, or jet black metallic actually. It's just one of those cars where the paintwork and the alloy wheels just pop out at you. It's in that good a condition. Absence of chips, really good spec, keyless entry, privacy glass, reverse camera, front and rear parking sensors. Nice low mileage car as well. All the fixtures, fittings here with the parcel shelf load area cover, which protects all your valuables. 60/40 split rear seat system. Absence of marks here on the interior boot trim. Everything as it should be. Boot light. No real marks to speak of on the rear bumper. This car will come with 12 months Mazda approved warranty, encapsulating 12 months roadside assistance. At TW White & Sons, we take any vehicle in part exchange. We'll be as competitive as any of the online companies advertising on national television. Those that wish to buy your car will be as competitive as they are in part exchange, and we will offer you full vehicle funding should you require it at highly competitive rates, and industry-leading customer service. We've got with this vehicle here a sort of black leatherette interior here, half cloth, half leatherette interior. That extends over to the door cards, where you've got this sort of grey leather effect on the door cards, which is really fetching. Features BOSE Sound, this particular vehicle, being Sport Nav Plus. Electric windows all round, electric power folding door mirrors as well. Sitting inside the car, first bank of switches we've got is Mazda's stop-start technology, iStop, traction control, tyre pressure monitoring system, and lane departure warning. Dip the clutch. It's keyless entry, keyless start. Dip the clutch. We'll just confirm the miles. 20,293 miles. Very low mileage car. Left hand side mileometer, centre tachometer with a digital speedo in the bottom right, and on the right hand side fuel gauge, which shows the range. We're actually low on fuel. It's only got 6 miles left. An outside temperature at 20 degrees Celsius. Left hand side of the multi-function steering wheel features integrated Bluetooth with voice control. It also features an info button. If we press this, it changes elements to this display. You can see 40.1 mpg. Don't take that as gospel. It just depends on how the vehicle's been driven, in what climatic conditions, and over what distance. Instant readout for mpg. Obviously we're not moving, so it's not going to give us that. Average speed 23 miles an hour, 6 miles left in the tank. On the right hand side here, cruise control, and beyond that, auto wipers with variable speed on the intermittent. The outside part of this stalk is rear wipers, and on the left hand side here you've got your lights and indicators, auto lights, and on the inner part of this stalk you've got your fog lamps front and rear. Very simple air conditioning system here. We've got climate control air conditioning, so we turn everything to automatic, set the temperature, say, I don't know, 18, something like that, hit AC. It will now direct the air and adjust the fan speed according to the internal temperature of the vehicle. Could not be easier. You've got other switches here, heated rear window, reset button for the air conditioning. Now, if you want to operate this as a manual system, just hit AC as usual, turn the fan to say that the direction of the air where you want it to go. It's self-explanatory. Beneath this, CD slot beneath that, twin USB ports, auxiliary port, 12-volt power socketry, and a really nice shifting 6-speed manual gearbox. Obviously all the technology and engineering know-how they've learnt on the MX-5, which is the world's best-selling roadster. Mazda have learnt on that. They've passed down to the rest of the range, so consequently you get into this, the gear change is absolutely marvellous. It's very precise, very directional, short throws between the gear change, making it a delight to drive in town and on the motorway. Main navigation wheel for the Mazda Entertainment Centre, which is there, surrounded by the star button there, which sets up favourites through your telephone directory, through your navigation, radio stations. The back button through the menu is there, nav, home screen, music, master volume control. So there's two places you can adjust the volume, left hand side of the steering wheel and this master volume control. Electronic handbrake with auto hold facility. Also another couple of very useful facets: heated steering wheel, 3-stage, heated passenger and driver's seat. Main navigation system here, press this, that's what your home screen looks like. No phone connected. You can connect up a phone through USB or through Bluetooth. Entertainment here, you've got DAB radio, you've also got FM, AM, Stitcher app, USB plug-in, home screen again, applications, fuel economy monitor. Car's got stop-start technology, I-stop. If the car is I-stop ready, it's showing not ready at the moment. You pull up to a set of traffic lights, they happen to be red, you engage neutral, the engine will stop. When the lights turn to green, you hit one of the pedals, dip the clutch, the engine will start. Tremendous fuel saving benefits, tremendous environmental benefits. Vehicle status monitor, this will tell us we're just low on fuel. Under the water, yes, low on fuel, yes. Maintenance here. Needs a service in about 6 months. We'll probably do the service here, and we'll carry out a 101-point used car check where we check everything: tyre tread depths, all the vehicle's electrical systems, brake pad wear, brake disc wear, wiper condition, glass, everything is checked, and the car will get a service. Beautiful condition vehicle, this being grade 1. This sort of grey leatherette finish extends to the dash panel, which is very fitting. It's all stitched in a sort of very discreet silver stitching, and you see that over on the passenger and driver's doors and the rear doors as well. So coming back to this, satellite navigation, very straightforward. Find address, town or postcode, find places, look, set up favourites, set up your home address, look at your history. It's simple enough to operate. The thing I like about this, places nearby, so we now need to find a fuel station, petrol station rather, fuel station as it's now done. Search the local area, comes up with a range of options, highlight which one you want to go to, execute the command through the nav wheel, and nav will help you get there. There's a whole range of categories: restaurants, banking, everything. Home screen here, settings, this is where you can individualize the car or personalize the vehicle to your own individual taste. The car has got a head-up display, which although I can see it at the moment, probably won't be able to see it through the just adjust that actually, probably won't be able to see it through the camera, although let's have a look. You can see that 0 down there. Yeah, it's a colour head-up display. You can adjust it for height, you can adjust the brightness, display of information as well. This is what I like on this head-up display. Brightness, go back into this display information, it pulls the navigation signal through. So the idea is, it's an excellent safety feature. You're keeping your eyes on the road in front of you, that head-up display as opposed to the center screen. Active driving display, speed limits, etc. It's going to tell you about that. Display we're looking at, you can adjust it between auto, day and night modes, the brightness, contrast, safety. It's got a plethora of safety features. Smart city brake support, very useful for town driving. Lane departure warning system will keep you in the correct lane, whether you're on a motorway or on any A or B road. If you start to drift across lanes, it will warn you of that, but you can set up the warnings as appropriate. Traffic sign recognition system, it's all to do with a head-up display. Parking sensor indication. Sound, it's got BOSE Sound System. You can adjust bass, treble, fader, balance. Automatic level control will adjust the sound level to compensate for any road or engine noise. Clock 12 or 24 hours, you can set the time zones. Vehicle itself, you can go in to look at door locks, walkaway locking. That's when you walk away with the key in your pocket and the doors will lock automatically. You can adjust the keyless lock beep volume as well. Likewise with the indicators, you can adjust the volume and whether you choose to have 3 flash indicators or not. Lighting, it's got adaptive front lighting system. You can adjust the lights on warning volume between high, low or off. Coming home light, leaving home light. Also the sensitivity of your auto headlights on when they come on. You can adjust all the sensitivity of that. Devices network or Bluetooth management system, you can adjust the temperature between Celsius or Fahrenheit, distance between miles and kilometers. So great specification with the car. That's what your home screen looks like. It's what your radio screen looks like. You've also got here parking sensors, and you've got, which you can hear, an on-screen display for those parking sensors incorporated into the reverse camera, front and rear. And then when you move it to neutral, you get, let's just show you again. So on the top right hand side, you got the car showing all the parking sensors, how close you are to an object. Flip that into neutral, it shows this front and rear parking sensors, then back to the home screen. So really great specification vehicle. Got everything you want on a car. Climate, AC, cruise control, satellite navigation, BOSE sound. 20,293 miles. It's in fabulous condition, just needs a service, it's ready to go. As I said, comes with 12 months Mazda approved warranty, encapsulating 12 months roadside assistance. And like I say, we'll take any vehicle in part exchange at TW & Sons. We haven't even valeted this car, it's just been cleaned. If you want to find out more about this 19 plate, very low mileage Mazda CX-3 2 litre 121 PS Sport Nav Plus, please go onto our website, which is www.twyandSons.co.uk. Thanks for watching.